There's incentive to be found in discretionary additional items for the 2019 Infiniti QX50, yet we begin with a mid-review trim level. The cost for the 2019 Infiniti QX50 runs rapidly into extravagance auto region, however without precedent for the fair-sized hybrid, it feels justified, despite all the trouble. We give it a 7 out of 10 on our highlights scale with focuses for superb base gear and great infotainment, yet there are imperfections on both worth talking about. The QX50 is accessible in rising pure, looks, and essential trim levels. Base are furnished with manufactured calfskin upholstery, 19-inch wheels, control customizable front seats, double-zone atmosphere control, Bluetooth network, keyless start, forward impact alerts with programmed crisis braking, and a double-screen, 8.0 and 7.0-inch infotainment display. While that's great hardware, we say skip it and begin in the center. The looks trim level is outfitted with standard blindside screens, an all-encompassing moonroof, and is accessible with warmed seats. Our esteemed pick is the best trim level, which begins at $44,345, including gold. The essential trim level incorporates cowhide situates, a movement-initiated liftgate, root, and encompassed C-camera framework, and remote begin. It's simple to tip past $50,000 with the QX50. We drove an analyzer stacked with almost $14,000 in choices, including Bose premium sound, 20-inch wheels, overhauled inside materials with open-pore wood, and Infiniti's suite of dynamic security frameworks. Frustratingly, Infiniti requires apparently irrelevant alternatives to choose different choices. For instance, choosing Infiniti's Pro Pilot Assist bundle requires warm back seats and a warmed guiding wheel. Pick among those alternatives and the QX50 can remain sensible. But everything, and the QX50 runs near $60,000. All-wheel drive is accessible on each trim level for $1,800. Twofold vision. Infiniti's infotainment depends on a double-screen introduction that's disappointing like 6th grade word issues. The 8.0 and 7.0-inch stacked screens share obligations for route, auto settings, and radio, and don't offer any rest by method for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto similarity. There are better infotainment frameworks available, however they're not found in Infiniti Autos. Our recommendation? Take an hour to take in the framework, set radio station top choices, match a cell phone, set the clock, and appreciate the drive.